Gzunelic 9500 Lumens Android Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. Tiny and lightweight. Clear and large display. Wi-Fi capability enables you stream content directly from the internet. You can use it as a monitor of your computer too. Excellent customer service. Configuration is very easy. It comes with many pre-installed apps. In such a small price, it is hard to find a better projector than this. It delivers good performance in both light and dark environments. Many customers on Amazon say that it is worth every cent. Netflix is pre-installed in the projector. Numerous users appreciated its picture quality. Solid contrast and accurate color. It has a built-in Google Store, so you do not need to connect with your laptop to watch YouTube and Netflix. Cons. It does not have a headphone jack, but it has Bluetooth headsets. You can use RCA to headphone jack adapter as well. It does not have a zoom function, so physically you have to move the projector to meet the requirements. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.